Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open settings. Open SOUNDCORE application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the app, then tap on it at the device list, and right here we have equalizer. To change it, you can or swap between these presets or click at the equalizer, then preset, and right here we also have them. Select the best one for you. Let's say I want a balanced. And now we did it, so you can go back and you can see that we use this preset. If you want to enable bass boost, you can click at the extra bass, or you can just press at the button at the right side. Right here at the top we have bass button, just click on it, and as you can see it automatically enable bass boost. If we disable, it will return to the previous selected preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.